Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the review of a newly launched eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty. That is this one. This is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and the shade of this palette is 07. So this one I saw recently in Amazon. So I took this palette from Amazon recently, and the cost of this palette is only rupees 229, which is very affordable, but I got on a good discount. I got this for rupees 179 only. That was a very good discount. So I am really very happy that this palette is so good. You can see my eye makeup right now. I have achieved this halo blue golden eye makeup look using this palette, and it performed really well. I'm so much happy with my eye makeup today, and it's very easy to achieve. Any beginner can create this eye makeup look very easily. I have not done any cut crease. This particular eye makeup look you can carry during any parties. So particularly during night time, you can definitely carry this eye makeup look, and you can team it up with any blue dress. So you can see my dress. I'm wearing a blue color salwar suit, and along with that I'm teamed up my jewelry. So you can accessorize this makeup look with such type of jewelry, and it will look very beautiful. The packaging is like this, you can see. So the shade number is written over here as 07, and on the back you'll be getting other details like the ingredients list is mentioned. There is a paraben in this product, so you are getting 4 years of shelf life to use this product, and the net weight is 9 grams, and the MRP is also mentioned like 229 rupees. So this palette is easily available on Flipkart, Nykaa and Amazon. So definitely you can grab from any of these online websites. This is the packaging. You can see this is a simple black plastic case. So already Swiss Beauty had launched its Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in other 6 variants, or you can tell 6 shades. So this particular palette is newly launched, and along with this there another palette is also launched, that is in the shade 8. So 07 and 08 are the 2 new launches, and I think in the 08 palette there are only deep matte shades. So these are all the shades. So only this deep brown shade is matte, and rest of the shades are of satin or shimmer finish, you can tell, satin and shimmer. So this shade you can also use to figure eyebrows, and rest of the shades are really very good, very gorgeous. So I'll be swatching and showing you, and there is little bit fallout as well, which is manageable for this price point. It's okay. So I'll be swatching over here that pink shade, that orange one, and the brown shade. So you can see the pigmentation, it's so beautiful. The brown shade is not that much pigmented as you can see, but you can definitely build it up. Now I'll be swatching the next row, that is this row. This is a white pearl type of shade, and a green one, and a reddish. I think this is a copperish type of shade, coppery brown. So I'll be swatching over here and here. So you can see these 3 shades as well. Next I'll be swatching this shade and this black. This is the black, this is the golden, this is the golden shade, this golden and blue. So this golden and blue I have used on my eyelids to create this eye makeup look, as you can see. So these are also very highly pigmented. The black is also as not that pigmented, you have to build it up. And coming to the lasting power, this if you are using a concealer or an eye primer, and after that you are applying this eyeshadows on your eyelids, then they will stay up to 4 to 5 hours, and after that it might fade away a little bit. So that's okay. For this price, is a must-have palette. I highly recommend to you all. These shades also do pick up with brush and fingers well. So if you are using a brush, you can also definitely use this palette, and with fingers also the shades do pick well and apply well on eyelids. So Swiss Beauty is also a very renowned good brand, and all the products of Swiss Beauty are very good. The packaging is nice, and the pigmentation and everything is quality wise they're also very good, and I already have so many Swiss Beauty products with me. So definitely I recommend recommend this product to you all. So please go ahead and purchase this product. You will not at all regret buying, and I just love this palette so much. So if you like this makeup look, then please continue watching. I'll be showing the eye makeup look right now. First I'm toning my face using this toner. Next I'm using Add's Goodness Sandalwood face cream. Next I'm going to use this primer. This is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This primer is really very good. It instantly smoothens out face and prepares a very good canvas for makeup. So next I'm going to use this foundation. This is L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige using this beauty blender. This is from Puna store, and I'll be blending this. Next I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. I'll be applying around my eyes because I have dark circles. Around my chin area. So next I'm going to use this compact. This is Biotique Magic Compact. I'm in the shade Seashell, and I'm going to set my makeup with this compact. So next I'm going to use this palette to contour my face. This is Sivana Colors Ultra Blush palette in the shade 01. So I'm picking up this set, this contour set. I'm contouring my jawline now. So if you have a double chin, then please do contour your jawline. Next I'm using this, this is Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick, and I'm in the shade 01 Pink. So I'm going to use this and apply on my cheeks as a blush. I'll be applying on my chin, on my nose a little bit. So I'll be picking up the same highlighting set, the highlighter that is there in this palette. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to highlight my face at the highest points of my face. Cupid's bow. I'm going to use this makeup fixing spray from NY Bay. I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade Deep Brown, and I'm going to fill my eyebrows. So now I'm going to do my eye makeup. So I'll be picking up this blue shade and be applying on my eyelids. So you can see it's really getting well placed on my eyelids, and it is pretty pigmented. Pigmentation is good. So I'm going to do a V type of shape over here, and I'm going to join it. So next I'm going to pick this deep brown shade, and I'm going to very light handed pick that up and blend my upper edges above my crease as a transition shade, and I'm picking up very light handed. So next I'm going to pick this this shade, this golden shade, and I'm going to apply that in the middle of my eyelid. So it's basically like a halo eye makeup look. I'm going to apply on the center of my lids using my finger. I'll be using this brush, and I'll be picking up that shade, that golden shade. I want to see the pigmentation with brush. Wow, it's really getting picked up well with this brush. So I can see a little bit fall out below my eye. So next I'm going to use this liner. This is from Maybelline. This is Colossal Bold Eyeliner. So there is little bit fallout, I can see that, so I'm going to dust it up with this powder brush. So next I'm be using this Stay Quirky Kajal in the shade black, and I'll be waterlining and tightlining. So I'll be taking that same that same flat shader brush with a blue shade, and I'm going to smoke out a little bit below my lash line. So I'm going to use this mascara by Essence, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelashes, upper and lower eyelashes. Falsies is actually needed for this eye makeup look, but I don't have right now with me. I have ordered it, so I'm in a different place actually. I don't have my eyelashes with me right now, but I would recommend you to apply eyelashes with this eye makeup. So I'm going to apply this lipstick, as my eye makeup is so heavy. I'm going to use a nude lipstick, and this is by Essence. This is Essence Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Greedy Coffee 10, and it's very nice brownie sort of nude shade. So pretty. My makeup look, then please to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and please hit the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my videos, and please to like and share it. And if you have any queries or suggestions or any video requests, then please comment down below. I'll definitely do that video for you all. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye.